Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how to calm your mind by doing some reflexology and acupressure point in your foot, like specifically right in the middle of your toe. And what we're going to do is we're going to say a mantra word at the same time that we're doing that acupoint, and that's going to calm our minds from two aspects, physically and mentally. So just take your finger and push right there and feel for where it's sore in your toe. It might be on the sides, it might be here, which is more of your neck. You've got some neck tension. Or if it's in your brain, right there in the middle of the toe, you'll feel pain when you rub it like that. And you can tell because it's not, it doesn't really hurt there or there. It might hurt here, liver 3. It might hurt there. You might also press here. That's actually liver 3. That's liver 1. Okay, so peace. Say it with me. Peace. And breathe. Peace. And say it like that, like really calmly. Peace. Now rub it out like that and do the other one. See if the other one has pain. Mine just has a little bit of pain on this foot. Peace. Peace. You might feel in the webs too, like in between the toes. My hammer toes are getting straighter because all of this tissue is releasing. Knuckles are great massage tools. So now, let's just say that over and over again for a minute or so. Peace. This is especially good now because Mars is in Aries and it's conjunct Saturn and Mercury. They're all conjunct around 8, 9, 10 degrees of Aries, the warrior. So what we need at this time is peace. Total peace. Peace. And before I end this video, I'd like you to check out a video. I believe it's entitled something to the degree of John Denver Peace Song. Look that up. And you'll see a live video of John Denver in the early 70s singing this song of peace in a venue in, I believe, London. And it's one of my favorites of all time. Thanks for joining me, everybody.